Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for Opulence Mix 3. It's 2:18:36 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's not what I meant to do. Fuck. That's the worst. Fuck. Now I gotta go back into there. That's pretty funny. I need to do that. Fucked. Giveaways. That one. Copy. Definitely not meant to do that. Just that one. Next. Teams. Okay. Dice roll. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Random is complete. And it goes like this. Leah Tour with the Pelicans. Ty Johnson Heat, Lanyon Pistons, Big Dukes Celtics, Charles Chaz Nuggets, Timbo Sixers, Timbo Spurs, Dale Grizzlies, Adam Zach with Nets, Timbo Hornets, Mr. Holland Blazers, Ivan Cruz, Warriors, Sean Thom, Cavs, Adam Tucci Wolves, Glenn McCubbin Magic, Blake Riley Lakers, Timbo Rockets, Don Smith Thunder, Jovanovic Pacers, Nathan Alott Hawks, Andrew Hurley Wizards, Michael Langan Bulls, Javasi Kings, James Cannon Knicks, Hurley Suns, Lanyon Mavericks, Deezer Heaper, Raptors, Paul Hill Clippers, Don Smith Bucks, and Dees with the Jazz.